She read 120 points worth. Lily Garner, 100. Braxton Lunsford, 115. Brantley Robinson, 100. Dustin Creason, 100. I think he's talking, so, oh, there you are. Congratulations. Addison Epperson, 103. Hagen Shelton, 100. Lizzie Hurd, 105. Lizzie Lyle, 105. Brooklyn Schaefer, 106. Rose Garner, 136. Riley Hughes, 195. Adeline Mitchell, 105. And Dylan Creason, 102. My top reader is Sophia Schaefer with 231 AR points. Next, I will give out Mrs. Nye's 6th grade math awards. Outstanding work, Cartea Rowe. Most improved, Kirkland Kitch. Most improved, Brantley Robinson. Oh, Carter, where are you? Best attitude? And K Strong, extra effort. Any middle school teacher have any more awards you want to give? No more? Okay. Next, I'm going to give the Oklahoma Honor Society Awards, and these are middle school students with a 3.5 GPA or higher. Dustin Creason. Carter Wade Jones. Brantley Robinson. Cartea Rowe. Silver Peretti. Hagen Shelton. Riley Hughes. Lizzie Lyle. Tia Terrier. Make sure she's still here. There she is. Kiana Robinson. Aisha Rowe. Hallie Brenton. And Sophia Schaefer. These were all 3.5 or higher. I have 3 with 4.0. Eli Schaefer. Brooklyn Schaefer. And Adeline Mitchell. We will now begin our 8th grade promotion. 8th graders, please stand. These 8th graders have met the requirements to promote to the 9th grade. Some of them maybe barely.
I'm excited to be able to welcome them into our high school next year. Today we'll start with Miss Briley Cree Bible. Hallie Dawn Brenton. Brent Avery Chandler. Mr. Dylan Wade Creason. Miss Tinley Ray Davis. Next we have Colt Clayton Eric Francis Kent. TJ Cole Couts. Gage Aaron Laliker. Jacob Adam Manis. John Douglas Miller. Adeline Marie Mitchell. Gavin James Nair. Sydney Nicole Owens. Rylan Bree Ann Payton. Kiana Lee Robinson. Aisha May Rowe. Miss Sophia Elizabeth Marie Shaker. Hannon Jace Stoner. Last but not least, Mr. Connor Lee Thomas.
Okay, congratulations, class. You may turn around so you can get lots of pictures taken. There will be more pictures afterwards, so practice smiling now. Okay, congratulations to all of you. You may have a seat. All middle school students will have semester tests tomorrow, so it's very important that they are here to take those semester tests. Reminder, senior graduation is Saturday at 11. And we will have final grade cards available in a few weeks. You can check Facebook or call the school to get updates on that. If you are checking out your child for the day, please let the office know. And this concludes our program.